Ito si Pretty Girl. Hi, Pretty Girl. Si Ate Rose, ang post namin. Napakabait. At yun yung pogi doon. Ito yung asawa ni Pretty Girl.
Meron silang sarili.
Yan sila babes. Babes in the city.
Babes in the city na ako kami baboy.
Papuntang Philippine Embassy, Palace, and Grand Hotel. Tapos dito nag-work yung isang host ng mga kasama namin sa isang sushi restaurant inside. So ito yung meeting place ng Toro. And we will go around somewhere while waiting for those people who will sing Norwegian anthem sa Philippine Embassy. That's all for today's video. See ya!